Values and society. In this lesson, you'll learn how personal values become shared values, about shared values in the countries of Arabian Gulf, how your actions can be affect other people. Shared values. Our values often come from what we think is right or wrong. We call this a sense of morality. When people living together in a society agree about what is right or wrong, they often share a set of values. These shared values are an important part of the success of the society. The society will also teach its members about those values. This happens within an informal environment of the family and also more formally through the school system and other institutions. In this way, the values become part of the society's identity. People in the community are expected to behave in ways that reflect the values of society. Shared values in countries of the Arabian Gulf. Society in the Arabian Gulf are built on centuries of traditions, which come from cultural, religious, and tribal heritage. These traditions have been passed down from one generation to the next, and they are the foundation of society. For this reason, they should be acknowledged and respected by everyone. Loyalty is highly valued in Arabian Gulf societies. This means that people are expected to commit to the groups to which they belong. For example, by agreeing to follow its rules and demonstrating a sense of responsibility towards one another. Other values that have been passed down through generations are hospitality and generosity. These values are part of the traditions from the nomadic people. They were used to live in the harsh conditions of the desert and were always aware that people living in it or passing through those places might need food or rest. Valuing other people. Living in a society means being part of the group. Each person in a group has to be aware of other members and the needs and desires they have. This means that a person's actions have to reflect that awareness. It is not good to behave in a way that prevents other people's needs being met or that causes anyone to be upset or offended. People who are able to live and behave in a way that matches the values of a society are able to respect themselves and to be respected by others. This requires people to take responsibility for themselves and for their own actions.